So Dan, you've decided that you might like to purchase a kettle, but you've discovered that you've got a wall up against where you'd like the tap to be fitted. Basically means you need one of our progressive valve options. So could you just talk us through it, please?
No problem. So this signature modern here is set up with a progressive valve, which gets over the problem you described of having some obstruction immediately behind the tap. So how the valve works, as indicated by the markings, you come straight out from the tap for mains cold supply.
Okay.
You can go back a little bit if you want a little bit extra flow from the mains cold.
Right.
But then bringing the lever forward past 12 o'clock, that's when you're starting to blend in your mains hot water, and the temperature will increase until you get to full hot supply when the lever's pointing straight towards you. So the lever must be positioned to the left and the filtered and boiling on the right hand side.
So you can't reverse the tap like you could with the standard four-way tap offering?
That's correct. With the standard tap where the lever goes backwards and forwards like this, you can switch it around to have the controls on the other side, but with the progressive you do have to have it in this configuration.